That, yeah, it wasn't a good one.
Okay, Mom, are you ready?
Yep. Whoops, that wasn't a good one either.
I don't know what's going on.
Can't catch it like that.
I'll try and right here.
Okay, call her.
Zuma, come. Wasn't that a good one?
Good girl, Zoo.